taken many long roads. Trucking, machine work in Tupelo, and furniture. I think this was probably one of the best decisions of my life at this point in time, and it's always a good time to make a career change, or it's also a good time to further your education. I was playing it by ear, Then when the pandemic happened and I got a divorce, I decided I need to start making a lot of changes and trying to elevate myself from one place to another place. I decided I needed a good trade, and I figured I got 20 more years left to work and doing something I like instead of doing something I'm going to grow to hate. So I signed up and I was supposed to start, but I learned the hard lesson. I couldn't let high school friends go. That was in, I think, 2000 or 2001, I can't remember. I was supposed to come, but I was still hanging out with friends from high school, so I haven't hung out with high school friends since I was 24. I had to let them go. Most of them are in jail, so
yeah.
I had to grow up. I had a kid, so I couldn't go. If I could go back and tell my younger self, it'd be three things. One would be stay at school. Go to school and finish up. And the other one would be don't take the shortest road. Mm-hmm. Last one, I keep that to myself.
Wow.
I work 2 jobs. It takes a toll, but I just try to have patience and do what I can do and get much sleep as I can. I feel good when everybody calls me Mr. Roby now, and I'm not used to it. But I try to give them the best advice I can if they ask me. And if they need help, I wouldn't mind, I don't mind trying to help out. I would tell them they got plenty of years to jump into the workforce, go ahead and finish their education. Don't be in a hurry to grow up. I tell them if they can do it, you just gotta have willpower and the desire to do it. You gotta wanna change yourself. That's the hardest thing, is getting out of bad habits.